Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also, follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So, first thing first, before we take a trade, we would want to know the trend. And as you can clearly see on our gold, we are in an uptrend move. So we are going to do a quick analysis on this our trend movement and what we are going to be predicting next. Now take a look at this our gold. This gold gave us this high, and then we were able to have an higher low, right? Then gold was able to push up to form a new higher high, and then comes the higher low. Gold was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is our higher low. Now gold has given us another higher high. So our next movement on gold will be an higher low. So guys, an higher low is going to be playing out probably between Wednesday and Thursday. So we're expecting the higher low to play out around between Wednesday and Thursday. So you should be looking for higher low to play out next on your gold. Gold should give you an higher low between Wednesday and Thursday. If you do not see the higher low, right? Wait, if you do not see the sell setup, right, on Wednesday, we're likely to going to see it on Thursday. So within any of these days, a pullback will likely play out. So guys, before you go ahead and take your buy on your gold, wait for your pullback. As you can also see on your forward time frame, you can see that when market push up, right, which broke above this previous resistance level here, this was the previous resistance level. When market push up to break above it, what did market do here? It gave us a pullback. After the pullback the market gave us, it eventually pushed us to form a new higher high. Right? You can see that we are now on a new higher high. This is to tell you that after the higher high, an higher low is what we should be expecting next from gold. So, guys, a minor bearish move will be coming on gold. So be watching out for it. Once you get the sell setup, go ahead and take the sell. But if you do not see the sell setup, it will be better to start on this trade. So more updates will be covered for you guys. Just subscribe so you will not miss out on the next update.